What's up guys, how you all doing? It's been a long time since I've met you all.
Hi, I'm alright. I'm spending my 2 days break in matriculation by playing netball with my friends.
Netball? So interesting. I am here just struggling to understand probability in mathematics. Although it is considered to be easy topic, but what's the use of knowing all these things? I do not understand clearly because I am just studying for the exam and not for the real life.
Hey, why are you saying that? Actually, everything in our life somehow or other involve probability. As you know, life full of events. You cannot deny that. Every event in our life involves probability. Probability actually means the extent to which an event is likely to occur, which measured by the ratio of the favorable cases to the whole number of cases possible. Even playing netball also involves probability, you know.
Really?
Yeah. Yes, let me show about it.
From the situation, probability Shamini hits the target is 1/4 and probability of Izzah hit the target is 2/5. So probability of both of them hit the target is from the situation the both probability is not influence each other, means that this is independent event. So if you want to find both of them hit the target, so we want to find P as intersect with I. So given the formula to find the intersect from both is we multiply the probability of Shamini hits the target times the probability of Izzah hit the target, and thus we just substitute the value and the answer is 1/10. And the next question, we want to find the probability of none of them hits the target. So we want to find the P S prime intersect with I prime. This means that Shamini doesn't hit. S prime is the probability of Shamini doesn't hit the target, since this is the probability of Shamini hit the target. Thus we want to find the probability of S prime intersect with I prime. So the formula is PS prime times with PI prime. And to find the PS prime, we have to the formula is y minus PS, same like PI prime, y minus PI, and then we just substitute in the value 1 minus 1/4 times with 1 minus 2/5. We get 3/4 times with 3/5, and the probability of none of them hits the target is 9/20.
Hey Hidayah, can you pick any stone from this container?
Oh, sure. Wait a minute. I got green.
So what probability that you can get red color?
Red color? Let's find out.
Hi, from the situation given, in the container, there are 3 blue stones, 5 red stones and 4 green stones. The question is, what's the probability that stones picked from bag is either green or red? Since we have all here, it indicates that two situations is in union. First, let's find the sample space. Sample space is the total of all stones here. So we have 3 from blue, 5 from red, and 4 from green. So the total is 12. Next, we find the probability of getting blue, green, and red stones. So just simply divide the amount of stones with the sample. So we got PB 1/4, PG 1/3, and PR 5/12. Just simply use the union formula and just add the probability of R and probability of G. So we got 3/4. We need to make sure the usage of union or intercept. If it's an AND, we use intercept. Okay.
Hey Shamini, I have been searching you for so long,
Really? For what?
Don't you remember that we'll play Secret Santa in our class? I am in charge of it. I would like for you to pick some random name from this box to decide for which person you're gonna be the Secret Santa.
Oh yes. Here you go.
Wow, can I see it too?
No. You find it out by your own probability.
Alright then so let's find out the probability what Shamini get.
Let's see the question. Shamini picked up one name from a box containing 15 names of her classmates, including a name to be a Secret Santa of one of her classmates for Secret Santa game. A class consists of 7 Malay girls, 7 Malay boys, 1 Chinese boy, 1 Chinese girl, and 2 Indian girls, including herself. What is the probability that Shamini picked a name of Chinese classmate? B. What is the probability that she picked Malay girl? Condition: she cannot pick her own name. As we have a condition that Shamini cannot take her own name, so we have sample space of 14, and at the Indian girls, 2 Indian girls including Shamini, and we also have to exclude Shamini from the Indian girls. With that, let me see the solution for A. As we know, we have sample space of 14 because we already excluded Shamini from the 15. And then they ask, what is the probability of Shamini picked Chinese classmate? There are 2 Chinese classmates, so this is the number of Chinese. So to find the probability of picking up a Chinese, so we have to take the number of Chinese divide the number of people in the class or sample space. So number of Chinese is 2, and then over 14, the sample space, we get 1/7. Then for B, they ask what is the probability that Shamini picked Malay girl. For that, we have the same sample space 14, and the number of Malay girls in the class is 7. So in order to find the probability, we take the number of Malay girls divide the sample space. So 7 over 14, we get 1/2. So the probability is 1/2. That's all. Thank you.
Is it clear for you? I hope that after this you study for your own life rather than just for exams.
Yes, I agree with you.
Alright then, after this I will try to perform my best in this topic.